Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the live transcribe option and how to turn it on in Samsung Galaxy S22. So we need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options here. Next, hearing enhancements, and at the top we have our live transcribe. To use our live transcribe we have to connect to our internet, as you can see. So let's wait a little bit. Hello. And as you can see, our live transcribe is working. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.